Hey everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this super easy install. It should not take you more than 10 minutes. Literally, I could do this in 5 minutes, but 10 minutes top. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this, then please continue to watch. Now, the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from ISEE Hair, and I have worn quite a bit of their glueless wigs. I will say I really love their glueless wig because they're super effortless, and this is pretty much everything that you need for the wig. You get your bonnet, you also get a wig cap, so you get the HD wig cap and the regular wig cap, and instructions on how to take care of your wigs and how the wigs works. Now, this is the elastic band that you can apply onto your wig for adjusting the wig strap. It also comes with a wig strap already included into the wig, but you can change it out if you want. It also comes with extra combs as well. Now, this is what the HD wig cap looks like. It is super thin, and this is the regular wig cap. Personally, I love HD wig caps because I think it just looks so much better with a HD wig. And this is the wig straight out the box. The curls are absolutely gorgeous, and this is a HD lace wig. So HD pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You do not have to do anything to this wig, and the lace is already cut for you, so you really don't have to do anything but pop this wig on your head and style it, and it's ready to go. And this is the M cap wig, and it fits perfectly on the head where it goes over the ear and not on top of the ear. And this is a 9x6 closure wig, so you do get a lot of parting room, and you also get a lot of lace. However, this is a glueless wig, and you can wear it glueless, and this is the water wave curls. Now, this wig, like I said, it's bleached to perfection. It is tweezed to perfection, so you really do not have to do anything to it. And this is what it looks like. So it has the combs on it, and you can actually remove the combs, which is absolutely amazing. I'm not big on combs except for the one on the back. That is the only one I use, which is this one on the back of the wig, because it secures my wig in place. Now, as for the comb on the sides, I personally do not care for them, and I'm so happy that these wigs, you can actually remove them. Usually I have to cut them off, but I'm so happy you can just remove them. I kid you not, this is going to be the easiest install. As you can see, a wig cap is already in my head. Don't need to do the ball cap method because we're just going to throw this on. So I'm just adjusting the straps, and I'm going to pop this wig onto my head. Now, clearly I got to pull it down and do some adjustment. Are you seeing the lace? It's pre-cut perfectly. Like, I literally do not have to do anything but style this wig and adjust it to my liking. All right, so let's get into the sides of this wig. It has that C shape, so it fits perfectly over the ear, not on top of the ear. I hate when closure wigs do that, and it just pains your ear, but this is like a perfect fit. And this is how it looks glueless. It looks really good. The hairline looks really good. I don't really have to do much work to it. So today I'm only going to be using one product, and I'm just showing you guys this is how it looks glueless. So if you wanted to wear it just like this, you could. You just have to tint the lace just a little bit to match your skin tone, and you can do that with like foundation. So I'm just clipping the wig out of my face, and I'm just pulling down a bit. Now, I will say the fit on this wig was a little tight, just a little, but it's still a good fit. So I'm going to go in. When I say tight, I don't mean like painfully tight. I mean like it's just a little bit small. So I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and that is the only product I'm using today. This is not a glue, but it's going to melt down that lace, so the lace is not kind of like flipping at the top. It just melts down seamlessly into your skin, and it just give it that invisible HD look. So I'm just going to apply this, and once I apply this, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just going to blow dry this for about like maybe 20 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my melting band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And voila, are you seeing the melt? The lace is gone. Now we are going to fix that wig cap, but we're going to go ahead and tint this lace right now. So I'm using my contour shade, which is a bit darker, and I'm applying this to the lace. The reason why I'm using something darker is because I have a tan, and my forehead as well, I put contour. So I'm just trying to make it match my makeup as good as possible. If I wasn't wearing any makeup, I would use a foundation shade that is my skin tone to do my tinting. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some water to this not to the lace, to the hair, because the curls are literally like fresh out of the box, and this is just how it looks fresh out the box. But I want to style this wig up and give her more volume and just have it look more polished, because right now it's not looking super polished. The curls are just super tight, and it's just super defined, but I just want to loosen it just a little bit. So I'm going in with some water and I'm just brushing it through. This is honestly a easy, ready to wear go wig. You just pop it on your head, add some water, and you can also add mousse if you want to. I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse to this. Then that's the only product that I'm using in the actual hair. But to apply the wig, the only product I used was the melting spray and then some water and some mousse to style it. So it's super easy to style this hair. One thing I love about curly hair, you don't have to put a whole lot of effort into styling it. Now, as for the wig, this is how it looks more wet. So this is kind of like that wet look, but I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, my volumizer. Look how long this hair is, like inches. And like I said, you could just leave it to air dry, but I was kind of speeding up this process just so you guys can see the end results. And this is pretty much how the curl is looking. Now we're gonna go ahead and fix that little wig cap issue. So I'm gonna go in with some lighter concealer. So concealer that I use to highlight to hide the cap. I don't want it to look orange, so I don't want to use something that is my skin tone. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I absolutely love how easy this was to apply, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. I absolutely love how this hair turned out. Now, as for curly hair, keep in mind there is minimal shedding with curly hair. You will find that with any curly hair, but I think it looks overall, everything looks really good, and I love this hair. I love the curls, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.